Okay, slot fans, we just got the Mighty Cash Ultra bonus on a 88-cent bet. We're in the machine for $100, and let's see what we get. All right, here comes the bird. $8 added to that one. That's the best part. Another $2 on the Ultra bonus, and it keeps adding money every time that the bird flies by. We can win any of the progressives on this one as well. Oh, no bird this time. Here comes a bird. 50 cents. There we go. $4. $6. Nice. We got 3 spins left. Again, we're hoping for that 100x win. Nice. The bird's coming again. $3 more. $4. All right. Still doing good. 2 more spins to go. Come on, bird. Nice. $3.50. $3 more. Looking like a pretty good bonus. $3 more. 1 more spin to go. Let's make it a good one. See if we can get 3 after it as well. Get 3 bonus spins possible. $2. $2 more. Did not get the extra spin, so let's see what this adds up to be. Oh, that's just under an 80x victory. Another good win. Bring us more cash to play with over the weekend so we can make bigger bets and bring in bigger wins. Watch us, like us, and subscribe to us. I had a brain fart right there. Thank goodness Christy bailed me out. Was whispering in my ear what I need to say.